So we have seen public healthcare system and private healthcare system. Public healthcare system is run by hospital, okay, and the services and the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money we public pay as taxes, okay, and private healthcare system are owned by, mean it is privately owned. Here private health facilities are not owned by government, okay. Now come to healthcare and equality. What is this? Healthcare bhi hai और equality means if you see in rural and urban areas, क्या both the areas में same होता है, equal है healthcare system? That we will see here. So as we have seen over the years, जैसे private sector in healthcare has been increasing. There is more special doctors and services available in urban areas in comparison to rural areas. Urban areas means ये town cities में और rural means in villages में, ठीक है. Nowadays we are seeing कि बहुत private hospitals, we are seeing clinic or all these things in urban areas, cities में है, but these things we are not finding in rural. गाँव में ऐसे private practitioners या private hospitals we are seeing. So services, so there has been an increasing disparity in between rural and urban in terms of healthcare. So services of private sector run by profit, that we have to see, because private healthcare charges more. कोई भी अगर private hospitals में we are going and अगर we compare it with the government hospital, it is obvious कि private healthcare system, private clinic या private hospitals में if we are going तो वहाँ charge तो बहुत करते हैं. Yes, we know this. So private sector has higher cost with expensive medicine का भी बहुत cost हो जाता है, and sometimes it shows that statistics shows कि 20% of the population can actually afford. 20% of the population can actually afford this medicines, expensive medicines and all those things, and the remaining 80% they goes this remaining goes without medicine. So the role of public sector healthcare system is prerequisite in India. It was reported in a study that 40% those who are admitted in hospital, they have to borrow money to get the treatment. Sometimes it is not only money, sometimes even women's health, अगर issue को देखा जाए, women's health concerns are considered to be less important. कि कोई बात नहीं, okay, चलेगा. So this kind of thinking are there. Means जिनके पास पैसा नहीं है, they are thinking like this, or if it is very much important और अभी ज़रूरत हो गया है कि हॉस्पिटल में जाना ही है, so what to do? So that time they have to borrow money, or sometimes money is also not problem. Sometimes they are thinking अगर ladies का है तो okay, थोड़े दिन के बाद it is. These are the mentality. Okay, so now what to do now for all these things? करना क्या है? That we have to think over. So to resolve all these issues, first of all, government has to take responsibility. क्या responsibility लेंगे? To take care of the health of poor and disadvantaged people. Then, however, health depends on basic amenities. वो सब भी देखना है. Only if we see health is what? The definition we had seen before कि health means fitness होना चाहिए ना. तो for this fitness what to do? Good food is also necessary. Good environment is also necessary. Drinking water is one. Safe drinking water is very much important here. So all these things we have to see. तो कौन ये सब देखेगा? Government we have to look after on all these things, and social condition of people. Now one example I am giving you here. Two examples are given in book. One is of Kerala experience, another one is Costa Rica. Okay, so now Kerala experience here, we see that in 1996 Kerala government made some major changes. What is this? 40% ऑफ द एंटायर स्टेट का जो बजट आता है, जो पैसा आता है एंटायर स्टेट में, वॉज गिवन टू पंचायत. क्यों? वाई दे आर गिवन टू पंचायत? मीन्स इन द रूरल एरियाज में, विलेजेस में, देन पंचायत कुड प्लान एंड प्रोवाइड फूड. देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स प्लानिंग वॉज डन. किस तरह से दे विल डू, जैसे कि वाटर, it is safe or not, they will see these things, food, women's development, education, etc. So this meant water supply were checked or not, they will see. अगर पैसा पंचायत के पास है तो regularly there will be a visit. If somewhere something is necessary, they will do these things कि इस requirements को we have to fulfill. So in this meant water supply were checked, working of schools, Anganwadi was ensured. Anganwadi is a type of mother and child health care system. ठीक है. So this Anganwadi was ensured. Health centers were also improved. अगर उनके पास पैसा दे दिया जाएगा पंचायत के पास, so they will see कि what is the prior thing, कौन सी चीज को हमको देखना है. Okay. Now other example we will see here, one more example of another country, that is the Costa Rican approach. Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in Central America. The main reason for this can be found in the Costa Rica constitution. Several years ago they decided not to have army. Understand, as army is there ना, जैसे हमारे इंडिया में भी आर्मी है, तो for this पैसा तो लगता ही है. ओके, देयर सैलरी है, many things, तो गवर्नमेंट विल हैव टू लुक आफ्टर दिस. सो दे थॉट इन कोस्टा रिका में, दे थॉट कि देयर विल बी नो नीड टू have army. So they believe that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. That is their thought कि अगर people का health ठीक है, that is more important. So it provides safe drinking water, water sanitations also, drinking water, sanitation, nutrition, etc. Now health education is also considered a very important and essential part of education at all level. Okay, so these things today, this is the last point is Costa Rica. So that means we have done. So this lesson number 2 is finished. Now what is your work? You have to read once from starting to end of this chapter, and on Wednesday by 10 o'clock I will take one test, online test of lesson number 1 of history and lesson number 1 of civics. Okay, so on Wednesday all of you get ready. Now question answer of this lesson we will see afterwards. First I will take one test. Yes? Okay. Thank you children.